Hey Body Besties, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Rhonda and we do subscription box unboxings here on the channel. So today we have Singleswag, Goddess Provisions, and the Sephora Favorites. So let's get started. So today we're going to get started with Singleswag, which is $39.99 a month, and they do have a smaller box for $25 a month called the Petite Box. So in the full size, you get 7 to 8 items, pretty much anything girly, maybe a book, and then a snack. Usually there's a snack. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like on the inside. This little card usually gives you all of your dollar amounts that everything is worth. First thing in the box, it looks like a hair towel, which I'm really excited about. I use the daylight out of these things. Ooh, it is a nice one. How cute is that? I love it. I don't have anything with a fun design on it. Fun colors, but not a fun design. This is the Gen 3 Stars in Your Eyes bracelet. So it comes in this cute little container, and it looks like it's got cute little stars with like a diamond in the middle of the star. Very cute. Oh, and a moon. Haley's going to steal that. I can see it right now. Haley's going to steal that. So the bracelet has a retail value of $58, and the hair towel has a retail value of $24. This is the Mavi Band's adjustable non-slip headband with a retail value of $18. I definitely couldn't wear this. This little thing right here would get stuck in my hair, but it is definitely stretchy. I do think it's very cute, and Haley could probably use it. It's perfect for working out if you like to exercise. We have a Yuen Oil Acai Fig Marula Antioxidants Complex. It says here it is a face serum, retail value of $44. Let's see what it smells like. Comes in a dropper. Okay, it's got a very nice, fresh, slightly citrusy smell. I'll definitely would use that. Okay, we have a Spongel Black Orchid Body Wash Infused Buffer. Retail value here is $20. I think by now a lot of people know what Spongel is. This one's actually softer than, normally they're hard as a rock when I pull them out. Ooh, that is strong. That is not for me. But I do have a friend that I know will like that. So somebody's getting a little present. We have the Tweezers Duo Kit by Steve Laurent. Let's see what they mean by Duo Kit. It is a retail value of $24. Okay, so it looks like they have your normal slanted tip. Not sure if you can see that. And then this other one is just a very pointed tip. So I don't know if any of you use or even care how the tip is slanted. Here we have the Lip Syrup High Shine Pigmented Lip Stain by Triple Cosmetics with a retail value of $12. Ooh, that is looking really, I don't know, hot pink is the color, or just super, super red. I can't tell in this lighting. I have a feeling depending on what lighting you're in and the skin tone that you have is going to matter in whether it comes out red or like a hot pink. But the color here is called Lolly. So that doesn't really give me a hint as to whether it's a red or a pink. And quite frankly, I thought that someone had told me that women cannot be colorblind, but I feel like I might be colorblind. I think that my colors are off anymore and that I don't know what I'm talking about. This is Bird's Famous Cookies Lemon Cookies. Indulge in these delectable bite-sized award-winning cookies based on small batches in Savannah, Georgia for $4. We used to live over in that area. We used to go swimming down on Tybee Island. So that is everything in the box. So you do get your 8 items. This is one of my favorite boxes, and I do highly recommend it to anybody who's thinking about trying out a subscription box. I think that this should be high up on the list to try. even if you are married and it does say single swag. I don't feel like, you know, you have to be single to get this box. You know, sometimes men don't pay as much attention to us. We gotta pay attention to ourselves, do a little pampering for ourselves. Been married long enough, you start to realize that. Okay, next up we have Goddess Provisions, which is $33 a month. And it is vegan and cruelty free, 5 to 7 full-size products, value of $80 to $100, free shipping in the US, and it'll have anything along the lines of crystals, aromatherapy, beauty, superfood snacks, and tools for spiritual growth. So this is the box, very cute. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Very fun. First thing I'm seeing here is the Zen Den candles. Okay, that is cool. It is a geode-shaped candle. I am in love with this candle. This is so pretty. Of course, you're going to have just the right little plate or whatnot to put that up on, but I love that. The next thing in here is a lotus flower shadow caster tea light candle holder. So let's see here. Slip that in there. Very cute. I love that. That is adorable. I know this is silly and this is not what this looks like at all, but just the way it's shaped and the way it's wrapped without looking at the design, it reminds me of the little butcher packages when they wrap up your meat. If you're a meat eater, I'm sorry if you're a vegetarian, I've probably offended you now. My apologies. Okay, this looks like it is it's a bag. It's a cute bag too. Okay, let me see if I can't get this in better. It kind of reminds me of a tarot card. I like that. Very cute. I will definitely get some usage out of that. Perfect to take to the library. Okay, I had to dig into the bottom to find this cute little card because they pulled something out of the box and I'm like, I don't know what this is. So, it is Black Kyanite, Kyanite. Shadow work can illuminate a tendency towards harmful attachments. Use this healing stone to cut cords and toxic ties with ease and tranquility. Retail value of $4. It's so interesting. I've never seen something like this before. I feel like I've seen it on TV, but like not in person. So as long as I have that open, the adorable geode candle had a retail value of $15. This cute little bag has a retail value of $35. This adorable tea light holder has a retail value of $11. I found this snack, Coffee Crunch and Cardamom by Antidote, chocolate that loves you back, 73% slow roasted cacao. Wicked Greek Goddess of Vige, strong and passionate, Kakia's zest for life is the antidote to passivity. Cardamom and high altitude Arabica coffee conjures. What is with me today? Is there something going on? Are we coming up on a full moon again? Cardamom and high altitude Arabica coffee conjures her powers of seduction and whets your shameless appetite. Oh, you go. It literally says this. Oh, you go! ! So this has a retail value of $7. I'll have to let you guys know on Instagram how that tastes. Next up, we have Inkbox For Now, a collaboration NW. Water resistant, lasts 1 to 2 weeks, cruelty free, develops in 24 hours. Your kit contains a primer wipe and a Tattoo For Now ink. Application time 1 to 2 minutes. Leave on for 60 minutes. Tattoo will darken in 24 to 36 hours, and your tattoo will last 1 to 2 weeks. So it's kind of like henna, it sounds like. Nothing Wild Lotus Protector Tattoo by Inkbox. Retail value is $16. So here's your little primer wipe and your application instructions. And this is so faint that you're going to have to see it on Instagram probably because that is just really, really faint. So it says 7 to 8 items, but there were 6 items in the box. The 7th item that they have on here is actually digital. It says the Gold in Our Shadows, retail value of $33. You download this, I guess it's a shadow work bonus book. So it says beginner deepen your shadow work with Ganga Devi Braun. Access guidance on how to prepare and perform an empowering ritual of shadow integration. Yeah, this box is definitely geared toward the spiritual side. Some might say witchcraft. I mean, I would say that that's a decently fair assessment. But definitely if you're into chakras and spells and things like that, I could definitely see you loving this box. And the last thing that we have here is the Sephora Favorites. So this is not a subscription box, but I feel like this probably used to be basically a subscription box. But now, instead of it just automatically coming to you, you go onto the Sephora website and they have these little sampler bags for $10. And you get to try a bunch of stuff, which I don't know if you go in the store, you would get to try the same things in the Sephora store. So the first thing I'm seeing is the Ren Clear Skin AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. And this is quite a bit of serum because if you use serum, you know that it lasts a really long time for a small bottle. This is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, Ouaie, maybe, hair oil. So that'll last a pretty long time too. If you use hair oil, you know that you don't use very much, just enough to maybe take a little frizz out. We have Versace Bright Crystal, which I have smelled this perfume before, and I do know that I do like this perfume a lot. It's very expensive, so I've never bought it. This is definitely one that I like. It's more on the fruity side. Very happy to get this in the mail. Then we have this Caudally, Caudale Paris Purifying Gel Cleanser. So just wash your face. I think I could see this would be perfect. Actually, all of this stuff is perfect for your travel bag if you have one. I always keep a little bathroom bag ready to go that's just for travel so I don't forget anything. So if I'm ever running low on some Q-tips or something, when I get back from my trip, I reload up my Q-tips, toss it back in the bag, and then I'm ready to go next trip without even having to look at the bathroom stuff to see if I have everything. Pretty convenient. So this last thing in the box is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. This cute tiny little box, which is actually perfect also for travel. You just never know. That's not going to take up very much space at all. So that is one of the things that I love about the Sephora Favorites bag. Everything that comes in it is really great for travel size. So you really don't have anything to worry about there. So that's everything I have for today. Let me know what you guys thought of the boxes. I really liked all 3 of them. If there's any boxes that you'd like to see on the channel, go ahead and put them down in the comments below. And for now, you guys have an awesome day. Bye.